now we will begin with our lip balm. So here I have already melted the same oils and butters that I had taken for the lip scrub. I have my coconut oil, castor oil and the shea butter, which I have already melted and put it in this. And also I have my melted beeswax, which I have already melted and kept it. So we just have to combine both of these together. Now here I'm not using any color because I want to keep it all natural. So I will be only using the strawberry fragrance oil, but there will be no color. Like now in this scrub I have, it has got a very light, I don't know whether you can see it with the light, but it has got a very light pink tinge. That is because of the powder, strawberry powder that we have put. But in the lip scrub, in the lip balm, we won't be able to use the strawberry powder because it will not dissolve with these oils. It will just float on the top. So we have not used the strawberry powder. So we'll just keep it natural without any colorants or anything. And we'll just start with the making of the lip balm. So here my oils are just melted and quite hot, and also I have my beeswax which is just melted here. So I will just pour the beeswax here and we'll just blend this together. Okay, so also you don't need to put in your fragrance oil when the oils and waxes are very hot. You just need to wait a little before you put the fragrance oil. So I think now this is a pretty much it's not very hot right now, so we will add our fragrance oil. And as I told you all, please check on the amount of fragrance oil that you can add. Adding too much of it also is not good. It has to be in a proper proportion. And now we can just mix it well. This will remain white in color because we've not added any other color. Okay, so before this thickens, we need to put it in our container, otherwise it will be very difficult to pour it. So here I have taken a very small container because this is very little that I have made. And we'll just pour it into the container. That's it. Okay, so this is how the lip balm looks. Once it's ready. It's very easy to make. Just about 2-3 ingredients and the lip balm and the lip scrub is ready. You get these available in the market as well, but if you have the ingredients ready at home, you can definitely try this recipe. You can try making this yourself at home. You can see the difference in the color only because of the strawberry powder that we have used. And I will now, this is completely cool down, so I will just show you the texture of it. How does it look when we use this? Like if you can see, when we had poured it, it was it had a very runny consistency, but now after it has hardened, I hope you can see the consistency of the scrub now. So all that you need to do is, I'll just tell you how you can use the scrub. See, because taking care of your lips, hydrating it, moisturizing it, removing all the dead skin cells there is equally important. We do use a lot of scrubs, body scrubs, face scrubs, but we generally don't do anything for the lips. So even taking care of that, keeping it nourished is equally important. So even if you do this, even if you do a lip scrub and moisturize it with a lip balm at least twice or thrice a week, that should really take care of your lips and keep it soft and supple. So now what you need to do is just you need to take a little bit quantity of the lip scrub and just gently you need to scrub it on your lips. It will give you a nice exfoliating feel because of the sugar that is present in the scrub. This is all that you need to do, as much as you want to use it on your lips. And after that, with a normal tissue, you can just clean it up. That's all. So you just need to wipe it off with a normal tissue, and that's about it. Don't try to wipe it off with water, because then it will, be even more stickier. So just try to use a tissue and remove it off, and you will already feel your lips very moisturized because of the beeswax that we have used in the scrub. After which you can follow it up with the lip balm. Now this lip balm looks like it hasn't set as yet. We'll have to wait till the lip balm sets, because it is still having a liquidy consistency. So once this lip balm dries up, I will also show you the glossy finishing of it, how it feels once it's applied on the skin. Okay friends, so we have waited for another 10-15 minutes since this lip balm was not completely cooled down. It was still soft. So now I think it has reached the consistency where we can definitely give it a try. Now see, if I am removing this, I hope you can see it on my finger. And when I put it on the skin, it's somewhat like this, like a lip balm. It will soften your lips, it gives you that shine. Now again, what I would like to tell you is, if at all you do not want a very shiny lip balm, this is just a tip from my side. You can increase the quantity of beeswax in your lip balm, because if you want it more like a chapstick, if you don't want the glossy effect, if you just increase the beeswax a little more, it'll give you a more harder lip balm. But if you want something very glossy and very moist on your lips, then you can accordingly reduce the ratio of the beeswax that you're using for your lip balm. So in this way you can adjust your recipe depending on what type of lip balm you would like to use. Now I like a more moisturizing lip balm, which gives me a little more glossy effect. So I have used a little less beeswax in my recipe. So accordingly you can modify your recipe and increase or decrease the ratio of the beeswax. So here friends, today we are done with our recipe of our sugar lip scrub and our lip balm, and I have showed you a very easy recipe so that even the beginners who have never made lip balms or lip scrubs, even they would be able to make it. So I have made it with the minimum ingredients that would be required. Again, if you're not interested in making a strawberry lip balm and you want to make any other flavors, you have a choice. If you have if you have a beetroot powder, you can try to make a beetroot lip balm. If you have cocoa powder, you can make a chocolate lip balm. You can just add a little proportion of it to give you that color and the effect. So you can just modify the recipe as per your convenience. And I hope you've learned something out of my video. It has been of help, especially to those who are interested in learning how to make these things at home without having to buy it from outside. For all the people who are watching my video for the first time, please do like, subscribe and share my video, so that many others like you could benefit out of it, could learn something out of it. And thank you so much friends. Thanks a lot. Bye.